Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share some Happy Mail, do an unboxing and opening of some Happy Mail that I received a couple of days ago. And so this is coming from Margaret. She is in the Facebook group A&M. I'll leave you a link to that Facebook group. Every time I think A&M, I'm thinking Texas A&M, you know, the university. But yeah, I won her past giveaway, which was the Pay It Forward, in which, hang on just a sec, in which you basically left a comment on MDX memory dex card. Okay, it's too early in the morning for me, and so I won her past giveaway, and then I in turn did a giveaway. So the winner has come forward. So I just gotta mail her stuff out this weekend. And so anywho, let's see what we got. Here is a card from her. And she says, thank you so much for your very kind words and for participating in this fun game at A&M group. Margaret Holden. I think her last name is Holden. I might have mispronounced that. So let's see what we got here. Let's look at the goodies that she sent. Oh, I love embellishments. Oh, look at this. This is so beautiful. For like a mini album. Oh, I love this. It's an angel, guys. Oops. The angel fell off. Oh, the angel is different from... Okay. So this is a tassel. So pretty. And we have a couple of charms, silver charms. This one's an angel and a Christmas tree. Oh, look at this one. That is so cute. This goes with my paper collection with all the, gingerbreads. That is so cute. And a unicorn. Look at this one. It's a flat back enamel unicorn. Ooh. And we have some, gosh, I forget what these are. Charms designed by me. Designs by me. I'm going to look them up. Look at that. These are so pretty. I think my favorite one is this one. Blue moon beads. And here's another charm of a wreath. And a snowflake. Ooh. Oh, these I love these. Love them. As a matter of fact, I do have a couple of colors coming up on my shop. Oh, this purple one is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh yeah, like that. And I've already have this one. This one is beautiful. But you know what? The red is so beautiful too. And the green too. Look at that. Wow, look at that. And look what we have here. Some butterflies, flat back butterflies. I mean, butterflies, what am I saying? They're not butterflies. They're, I forget what these are called. I'm calling them butterflies. Okay, I just turned these into butterflies now. Oh my gosh, wake up, Sandy. Okay, and we also have here, oh, look how she wrapped it so nice and cute. Love it. And this should be her memory dex. Oh, look at this. It's so pretty. I love it. I love this die. Oh, I love how she made a pocket. She made a pocket. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. And over here, she gave me some, I love how she made this pocket here. That is such a great idea. Let's put this over here. She gave me some ephemera. My spirit is free and full of light. My body is strong, healthy, and vibrant. Okay, remember that body. Love. And don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Just keep going. Yes. I am confident in my abilities. Yes. Believe, of course. Focus on you, of course. Oh, I love this. Love stuff like this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here's another one, and look at this. And you are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. You betcha. I am at peace with myself and the world around me. You betcha. But this one's going to go up there. When I was in my 20s, had you told me that I would be so involved in the paper crafting community, designing papers for scrapbooking, and also designed dies for a major company in England who sold all over the world, had you told me that when I was like, 23, 24, I'd be telling you you're full of it. No way on earth. Because to me, crafting was what old people do. And now look at me. Anyways, thank you so much for all of the beautiful beautiful things that you have gifted me. I love it so much, and I will be using these sometime soon. And this one's gonna go right in mine. I gotta choose which one is it gonna go in. Hang on. Oh, this one's gonna go in this one. I have several of these in different colors, and so it's gonna go right there. Thank you so very much for watching. And if you are not a subscriber as of yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell notification so that you know the next time I upload a new video. My next video should be a giveaway, I think, because we're getting close to the end of the month, because I do believe that I have already called made the videos for the winners. Yeah, so yeah, in this channel I go ahead and present all of my brand new paper, scrapbook paper collections and things that I sell in my store and in my Etsy. And forgive the voice, please, it's an ongoing problem. And so yeah, go ahead and leave me a nice comment. Check out the Facebook group where these darling ladies are at, and I'll leave you a link to them, and I'll leave you a link to my Facebook group so you can check us out over there too. Jenny's in charge of the Facebook group, and she's doing a lot of fun things over there. A lot of great plans for that group. So thank you so very much for watching, and have a wonderful weekend. Okay, bye-bye.